Hi everyone, it's me again, John Porterfield. Welcome to this LiveU Studio second tutorial session. I'm going to illustrate today how easy and cost-effective it is to produce a press conference and publish it to several destinations thanks to a LiveU Encoder and LiveU Studio. It's a very common situation and it can be as simple as a one-camera setup. We don't necessarily know much about the venue and its connectivity. This is why we get there with our cellular bonding LiveU Encoder to ensure the best quality and reliability possible. Okay, let's jump over to my shared screen.
We already built the workflow last time. Please review the first tutorial session if you missed it. We want to continue from where we left off. The LiveU Studio project contains my workflow. From the calendar, I simply need to create a new live stream and go to the control room. Via the toolbar on the left, I click on Production, which shows the visual mixer. I currently have on the bottom layer one LRT input or LRT channel, one customized background PNG file, and one template to show my live source on top of my customized background. On the top layer, it's the built-in default lower thirds message, as you can see. Let's add another text because we are covering a press conference today. I click on Banners, add a new lower third. I type the title LiveU Press Conference, and I use the second line to put the tagline, the ecosystem, from the ground to the cloud. I click Add. Let's make it bigger, 60-ish, center horizontally, and vertically. It's now big enough and displayed in the center of the screen. Let's go back to the production tool and select the customized background to preview our intro slate. Fantastic. Our next step happens in the field at the press conference venue. Our colleague needs to first connect the camera to the LiveU encoder and power them up because the press event is about to start. We are ready to test our workflow in LiveU Studio. Quick reminder, there are 3 steps for each live stream, which you can find in the top row. We are currently at the first stage, setting up. We now need to move to the second stage, testing, by click on the button Start Test. We now have both preview and program ready. We can continue. For this live event, let's make sure that we are in manual mode. So auto is disabled between preview and program. This means I will need to push my preview to the program every time I make a change in the preview window. I could configure hotkeys to set up my presets for my layouts. We will cover this feature in a future video. Meanwhile, you can go check the online documentation for LiveU Studio. It's now time to select the unit we want to transmit to the LRT channel we have. Let's click on the input pencil, add unit, select the unit, and click on Use Source. Finally, we click on Start. LiveU Studio is remotely controlling the LiveU encoder and requests it to transmit the live video to the LRT channel in LiveU Studio. Quick technical note, the LRT channel provided by LiveU Studio is acting as a decoder for the live video transmission from the encoder. We can see the live video coming into LiveU Studio. I can preview it on the preview window by simply clicking on it. Finally, I like to make sure the audio is coming in through properly. For that, from the vertical toolbar on the left, I click on the audio mixer panel, and I can monitor the ST_01 live source by clicking on the headset. The headset turns blue, and I can hear the audio coming in. It works nicely. We can start the actual press event. The program out displays the intro slate. We can move to the third stage, publishing and record. I can continue without publishing points for now. LiveU Studio has the ability to publish to multiple destinations at the same time. Social platforms, CDNs, content delivery networks, and/or physical decoders. Let's select now the publishing points or destinations so that LiveU Studio actually publishes the program out. Via the vertical toolbar on the left, I click on Publish Tool, and I follow the arrows to the right to click on the blue button, Add or Edit Publishing Points. Let's select my Facebook page via the native integration. Done. And my YouTube channel via custom RTMP. Done. We want to go back to a physical decoder to get this produced press conference event on an SDI output because we need it for a more traditional workflow. This could be a master control room, which would use the production from the cloud. The LiveU ecosystem provides a full IP video solution to support both traditional and digital workflows. It's as simple as selecting the physical channel from the publishing tool via LRT. LiveU Studio is now publishing to 3 destinations we just selected. Let's have a look at Facebook to make sure we're live on this platform. Great. Let's have a look at YouTube to verify as well. Awesome. Finally, we are happy to show you a monitor connected to the physical server we are transmitting to, so that we can get back to the ground thanks to the LRT physical decoder. We saw the intro slate on all destinations. We can now switch to the actual live camera, our primary event. Let's get back into the production tool and check the template in preview. We can now push this new preview into the program. Let's have a look at one of our destinations for fun. We see on the monitor connected to the physical decoder that it receives the main press event. This is perfect. We just had a great press conference. We want to thank our audience for watching before we conclude our live event. Let's leverage our built-in lower thirds feature. I click on banners on the left in the vertical toolbar, then add new lower third. Thank you for watching. I go back to the production visual mixer and I select the lower thirds plus the background to the preview. It is looking great, and I push it to the program output. We can now end the live event by clicking End at the top right-hand corner of the screen. This ensures that you will not incur any additional charges. Please make sure to confirm that you want to stop the live streaming event. Also, before you click End in the LiveU Studio, make sure you also stop your live streams on platforms like YouTube and Facebook. This ensures your audience now knows the event is over.
Okay, let's review what we have done in this session. We created a live stream from our existing workflow from our previous tutorial session, and we added intro and outro lower thirds on top of our customized background. Then we switched to the live camera transmitted by the LiveU Encoder, and we published this produced show to YouTube, Facebook, and a physical decoder at the same time. This is a popular workflow to cover press conference events. We illustrated how to connect the camera to the encoder. We also visualized the produced feed on a confidence monitor connected to the physical decoder. If you want to test the LiveU Studio or have any questions about the LiveU ecosystem, please contact your local LiveU sales team in your region. They will be happy to assist you. We hope you liked this tutorial and found the information valuable. Stay tuned, more tutorials are coming soon.